Right, now pick. I've asked you here because there's some rather disturbing footage I'd like you to see. Essentially there are some cockatiels out there. Yes, you can see a still of him there. And they are inimical to all that makes the Western cockatiel way of life function. To be perfectly frank with you, Pick, he wants to destroy you and your kind. Now, this may be disturbing for you, but I think we need to establish exactly what he says. So, if you'll just excuse me a second.
I'll be back.
Now that video was received just recently by the BBC News. It's clearly a threat to Western cockatieldom. Pick, what are your thoughts on this subject? How would you deal with a cockatiel like that who's obviously gone rogue? With anger, obviously. But do you not think there's still a chance for peace? If we were to organise some peace talks between you and that cockatiel, how would you react? So you're angry. I can sense a lot of anger from you, Pick, but do you not think there's another way? You don't, okay. So what is your message for all cockatiels out there? We know there's a schism within the cockatiel world. Yes. How do you think we should deal with it? With unreasoning anger. Is that what you're saying?